Hello and welcome to grammar class. In today's video, I am going to talk about three prepositions of time: since, from and for. First off, let's compare since and from. You see, both since and from indicate the starting point of time of an action. In other words, both since and from are prepositions of time that tell us the exact point of time when an action starts. But then, what's the difference between since and from? Well, since is used only in four tenses: present perfect continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. So remember, except for these four tenses, the preposition since is not used in any other tense. On the other hand, the preposition from can be used in any non-perfect tense, which means from is not used in present and past perfect and perfect continuous tenses. From is also used with to show a specific duration of time. Now here are some examples of prepositions of time since and from on your screen. I have been living here since 2010. This sentence has present perfect continuous tense. In this sentence, the preposition of time since indicates the point of time, that is 2010, when I started living here. Then in the sentence, he has been ill since Friday last, we have present perfect tense. So since is used here to denote the starting point of time of his illness. The use of since here indicates that his illness began on Friday last. The preposition since is also used with the past perfect or past perfect continuous tense. For example, it had been raining since midnight, so the streets were waterlogged in the morning. In this sentence with past perfect continuous tense, since indicates that the rain started at midnight, leading to the waterlogging. Now look at the examples of the preposition of time from. As you know, from is used in all non-perfect tenses and it shows the starting point of time. For example, the meeting started from 3 p.m. Here the preposition from indicates the point of time in the past when the meeting started. In the sentence, the conference will begin from Monday next, the preposition from shows the point of time in future when the conference will start. From is also used with to indicate a duration of time. I shall be out of station from the 1st to the 5th of March. Here the expression from the 1st to the 5th of March indicates a specific duration. Similarly, in the last example, the concert begins from 7 p.m. today. From is used to indicate the starting time of the concert. So we learn that since is used in present and past perfect and perfect continuous tenses, while from is used in all non-perfect tenses. But what about the preposition of time for? You see, for denotes a period or length of time. It does not indicate the starting point of time, unlike since or from. In short, the preposition for denotes how much time and not the point of time. Also remember that the preposition of time for can be used in any tense. For example, it has been raining for the last 2 hours. As you can see, here for is used to indicate the period of time for which the rain has continued. For does not tell us the exact starting point of time. It tells us how long an activity continues. I have not met him for the last 1 month. In this sentence also, for shows the duration of time for which I have not met him. And in the last example, people will remember him for a long time to come. The preposition for denotes a period or length of time and not a specific point of time. Now let's look at some common errors made while using these prepositions of time. In the first example, preposition since has been used before the expression 20 years, which is a period of time. But we know that since is used only for a point of time, so it's wrong. So the correction is he has been teaching English for 20 years because for is used for a period of time. In the sentence I have been studying from 6 pm, from has been used with present perfect continuous tense. It's incorrect because we know that the preposition of time from is used only in non-perfect tenses. So here instead of from we should use since to indicate the starting point of time in the present perfect continuous tense. Then the sentence the live telecast will continue since 10 am is incorrect. Why? Because since cannot be used in simple future tense. Since is used only in present or past perfect and perfect continuous tenses, while from can be used in any tense. So the correct sentence is the live telecast will continue from 10 am. That's the end of today's class. If you liked the video, please be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more grammar videos. Thank you so much.